Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Enriani. In this video, I'll explain about word and meaning. Okay, let's get started. For a definition, a word is a basic unit of language, typically consisting of a sequence of phonemes or sounds or graphemes or letters that conveys a specific meaning. Words can be analyzed in terms of their phonetic, morphological, syntactic, and semantic properties. Philosophers of language study words to understand how they function within language system and how they relate to concepts and objects in the world. For a definition of meaning, meaning refers to the content on or significance conveyed by words, phrases, sentences, and texts. In the philosophy of language, several theories attempt to explain how meaning is generated and understood. The first is referential theory. Meaning is derived from the direct relationship between words and the object or concept they refer to. And for use theory, meaning is determined by the way words are used in particular contexts and practices, as proposed by Ludwig Wittgenstein. And for truth conditional theory, meaning is linked to the condition under which a statement can be said to be true or false, associated with philosophers like Donald Davidson and Alfred Tarski. And for intentional theory, meaning is based on the intention of the speakers and the interpretation of the listener, involving the mental states associated with communication. And for application in various real-world scenarios, the first is for communication. For effective communications, understanding the meaning of words is crucial for effective communication. Misunderstanding often arises from misinterpretations of words' meaning. Clear definitions and context help ensure that messages are conveyed accurately. And for multilingual contexts, in multilingual societies, knowing the precise meaning and connotation of words in different languages can facilitate better communication and avoid misunderstandings. And the second, for law and contracts. For legal interpretation, the precise meaning of words are critical in legal documents. Lawyers and judges often analyze the specific language used in contracts, statutes, and legal precedents to determine their implication and application. For drafting contracts, clear and unambiguous language is essential when drafting contracts to ensure all parties have a mutual understanding of the terms and condition. And for education, such as language teaching, educators teach students the meaning of words and how to use them correctly in sentences. Understanding semantics helps in language acquisition and literacy. And for curriculum development, developing educational materials involve careful consideration of the words and their meanings to ensure that the content is accessible and comprehensible to learners. And for technology and AI, natural language processing or NLP, and developing AI systems that understand and generate human language. Precise definition of words and their meanings are essential. NLP applications such as chatbots and language translation services rely on semantic analysis to function correctly. And for search engines use algorithms that analyze the meaning of words in search queries to provide relevant results. And for advertising and marketing, such as brand messaging, marketers carefully choose words that convey the desired meaning and resonate with their target audience. The meaning of words can evoke emotions, create brand identity, and influence consumer behavior. And for product descriptions, accurate and appealing description of products depend on the effective use of language to highlight features and benefits. And for interpersonal relationship, such as conflict resolution, understanding the meaning behind words and the intention of speaker can help resolve conflict. Effective communication skills are essential in mediating and finding common ground. And for expressing emotions, such as the word chosen to express emotion and thoughts, can significantly impact personal relationship. Clear and empathetic communication foster understanding and connection. For conclusion, the philosophy of language explored this concept to better understand how language functions, how it relates to human thought and communication, and how meaning is constructed and interpreted. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your nice attention. See you in the next video. Bye bye.